Hello, hello, hello. We're finally here today together. Is anybody there? Hello, 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 hello. Hello guys, hello. Good to see you all finally. We're together. जैसे मैंने कहा था कि मैं आप लोगों के साथ आज मिलूँगा, आप लोगों के साथ कुछ पल बिताऊँगा, कमाल के हसीन पल. And finally we are here together. So a big heart to everybody out there. And it's a great day. कल का दिन बहुत अच्छा था. Everybody knows बेपना प्यार is out. It's doing very well. And मुझे आप लोगों की तरफ से इतना प्यार मिल रहा है फिर से. So yes guys, today is a special. Hey, I can see Calcutta Times right there. Hello city, so good to have you around. So many people, so many requests popping up, so many names popping up. Well, it's great. Make these live sessions so interesting, so exciting, and there's so much of love. Okay, so today's session is. Hey, Zenny boy, what's up? Hello. क्या हालचाल? Are you back from your vacation? क्या उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. मैं आराम से तुझसे बात करता हूँ बाद में. But guys, so today it's the बेपना प्यार special day, and I think the connection is a little poor at the moment, but hopefully should get better. Well, thank you so much. I can see a lot of people messaging saying that they've loved the video. बेपना प्यार is out there in the universe. It's for y'all. It was made for y'all with a lot of love. बहुत प्यार के साथ, और उम्मीद है कि आप लोग भी उसे बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार दें. Okay, great. So yes, I mean we're just waiting कि आप लोग जितने लोग उसे like करें, share करें, and let everybody feel that बेपना प्यार. Let the wave of बेपना प्यार be all across the globe, and it's a beautiful feeling to be in प्यार. हम सब जानते हैं. So this is बेपना प्यार जो हम लेकर आए हैं आपके लिए, जो कल रिलीज हुआ है. सबको पता है, बहुत सारे रील्स बन रहे हैं, बहुत सारे वीडियोस, फुटेजेस, BTS, everything is out there. It's in the open. It's all there for you guys, and yeah. So hello. Okay, we have somebody here again. जिसे हम okay, look who we have here. He's also giving us a lot of बेपना प्यार. And we have Ripsi also here giving a lot of बेपना प्यार.
Coffee.
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much. And Ripsi, you can quickly come and say hi to them. This is today's special. It's a बेपना प्यार special. And okay, calm down.
Hi.
Calm down. Okay, so this is us here saying a big hi to everybody out there, all you lovely people out there, all the Surbi and the Sharad fans, and who are not our fans also. Love you people. So all the fan clubs, all the fandoms, all the, that's okay. That's okay. And okay, I'll see you in a bit.
Okay, Leo. Oh my
Okay,
God.
go. Yummy.
Yummy.
So yes, yeah. So this is it's a very बेपना special day, and we've been just receiving a lot of messages, a lot of DMs, a lot of mails, all across the globe. People have been loving the track. Let me tell you, it's a beautiful track. It's a very soulful track. जैसे हमने पहले भी कहा है, you know, it's a very 90s melody. But it just grows on you, and I think मैं इसे कल से oh yes, we have something which I think Ripsi told me when I got back home today, that we have a lot of these beautiful gifts coming in. This is oh okay, there's a couple more, and this is from Libra Afia, and this is what she sent. Thank you, Libra. Thank you, Afia. This is really sweet, and this is very special, and you know, this is the kind of love and appreciation we're looking at, and we always crave for. So yes, Okay, you have to hold him right now because or else I will not be able to.
You should. You give me that. The frame.
Yeah. And then we
Surprise
have
wraps.
a lot of these surprise gifts that have come in this beautiful moon, as they say. It's got
Surprise
beautiful
wraps.
things embossed. Huh? Surprise
wrap.
wraps. Okay, guys, thank you so much for this beautiful gift. It says, "And I choose you in 100 lifetimes, in 100 worlds, in any version of reality. I'd always choose you." That is so sweet. Thank you so much. This is what Ripsy has dedicated and probably gifted me. This was on the 14th of February. It's supposed to be gifted to me, but then it's coming today. Be careful, it's gonna hurt you.
Yo.
So yeah, so thank you so much for all these beautiful gifts that you keep sending us, and me and Ripsy both. Ripsy, I think you should take him out.
Yeah.
Oh, he's getting very excited. Okay, so guys, getting on with the live. Let me quickly take some names. There's Shweta Arora. There is Sharad Kothekar. Okay, there is Nick. There is Deep Thakur, Ashika. There's so many people popping in right now, and all I want to say is that guys, I want to know how you liked the video. I'm sure a lot of people have liked it. A lot of people have shared the video. आप लोगों को पसंद आया है, आप लोगों ने देखा है, आप लोगों ने share किया है. But कुछ comments बताइए. I want to read some very interesting comments. I will be taking names, but yes, I need to know personally. That's why I'm here today. मैं इसलिए आज यहाँ पर specially आप लोगों के लिए आया हूँ. And okay, so without further delay, I want to read a few comments. We have what do you guys have to say about the video? Okay, loved it a lot. Thank you so much. I know you guys have loved it, but thank you for the chemistry. Okay, I mean the chemistry is amazing. Yes, the chemistry is amazing. I think luckily just Surbi and me, we just like we always say, it's very effortless. We don't rehearse much. हम ज़्यादा rehearse नहीं करते, हम ज़्यादा calculate नहीं करते कि we need to do this and do that after that, and we just go with the flow. It's very organic, और I think हम just enjoy करते हैं. We both of us are very passionate and very free flowing, as individuals also. और हम enjoy करते हैं अपने काम को. We are extremely hungry to do good work, and we are as individuals also. I think we're extremely passionate, we are sincere, we focus about what we do, and I think that's what really just makes everything fall in place. And I think like I said, मैं और सुरभि कभी हम लोग इतनी मेहनत नहीं करते हैं. We don't do many rehearsals, we don't do script readings. Yes, there's one technical rehearsal which is done, but after that it's just both of us having a great time on set, in the scene, which works and creates the magic. I love the song and your chemistry. Okay, yes, I've just been harping about our amazing chemistry. What next? In the song, your expression. Okay, thank you so much. Yes, I think I've also personally tried something different in this video. Usually, it's a very TV world that I'm living in for all these last 15 years here. Whatever I've been working around, and I've been a part of the industry good 14-15 years, but now I've tried something different. I've tried with some different expressions, emotions, and I was hoping कि आप लोगों को अच्छा लगे, a little more subtle, a little more real, a little more organic, a little more natural. Okay, मैंने भी आप लोगों को बहुत मिस किया है यार. I think both Surbi और मैंने, हम दोनों ने बहुत मिस किया है. I think after Nagin got over, okay, now it's just that हमें मौका मिला है फिर से आपके सामने आने का, और हमने बिल्कुल वो मौका नहीं छोड़ा. Yes, I literally love each and every expression. Thank you so much, Sassy Sharad. Prachi Sharma, hello. It feels so good, just being here. These live sessions are such de-stressors, and they are such stress busters. Waiting for you to come back soon. Yes, I'm also waiting for getting back. I'm waiting to get back to what I love doing the most. Acting is something which I've been doing for years now, and now I just love working every day of my life. So yes, I'm in the process right now, meeting a few people, listening to a few scripts, and hoping that something cracks very, very soon. Yes, I want to come back. ये हमारे लिए भी नाइट सारे हमारे लिए भी Okay. वाह यार, मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप लोग मुझसे और सवाल पूछे यार. Ask me some questions. Waiting for Kasam 2. Okay, I don't know when Kasam 2 is gonna come, but yes, I've loved Kasam. It'll be always be very, 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 very special. Rishi Singh Bedi will always be very, very special to me. Okay, what more do we have? Do we have some interesting questions coming up? Guys, come on, ask me questions. Please say hi. Okay, hi. Good luck for your upcoming projects. Thank you so much. Yes, I need your luck. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is black. Earlier it was white. Okay. I would love to do more music videos. I think music videos is so amazing. It's it's quick. You've just finished. You just shoot for a couple of days and it's out. It's a lovely process. It's more crisper. It's faster and yeah. So I would love to do more music videos, provided the song is interesting also. And it's very important for me to hear the song and then obviously get connected to it. So this Bepana Pyar, coming back to Bepana Pyar, I think it was an amazing track. So जब मैंने track सुना पहली बार, I told the makers that it's an amazing track. It's a very massy track, and today, luckily, everyone's loving it and everyone is just listening to it on the loop mode. My next project. I'm working on my next project in the sense that I am currently in the process of meeting people. I'm listening to scripts. Having a few narrations around, and there's a process of working. If you're in Bombay and anywhere, there's certain protocols. There's a certain rules you have to follow, and then there are a few steps you need to follow, and then that's how we function. And yes, I'm hoping that very soon I will give you guys some great news. Fingers crossed. Come on, guys, ask me questions. I need to answer a few questions around. Please say, okay, Saida from Pakistan. Hello, hi. How are you? Favorite character of yours? All the characters are very, very special to me. Every character is obviously a part of me because I played every character. Every character that I've played so far is obviously is my baby, and you can't differentiate between one and the other. So I love every character of mine. Hey, okay, hello, love you from Morocco. Lots of love to all you people out there. ये टाइम जो होता है ना बहुत खास होता है यार. This is just between you guys and me, and I love to have these little moments, and I try getting these little breathers in between for me, because it's very important for me to be connected with you all. Okay, so Ripsy's reaction was amazing. I think we all were expecting कि वीडियो बहुत अच्छा होगा, लेकिन जो end product आया है, the final product looks amazing. I think Ripsy, my family, everybody, I think even Leo also loved the video. So whenever we're playing the video, at home, on the system, on the TV, the iPad, wherever, the laptop, wherever, or the phone, Leo is always around, and he loves the tune, and he loves the melody, and he loves the lyrics, and he loves looking at me. So I think everyone's just loved the video. They've loved the visuals, they loved the audio, they've loved the emotions. Very poor connection. I think there's some problem with the connection. So Bepana Pyar, can you just open the door, please? Yeah, just open the door. So yes, lots of love from Assam. Okay, lots of love to you guys as well. Okay, come here, sit down, and come sit down with me. Come, sit. Okay, come here. So yes, lots of love to you guys. Sharad, please play the guitar. Well, I've already played the guitar. Yes, I have played the melody, which I happened to just randomly get. We just picked up my guitar, both me and my teacher, and we just played this beautiful melody of Bepana Pyar. You can watch it on my Instagram page. When did I fall in love with acting? I fell in love with acting. I think this was long time back actually. I think this was good 16, 17 years back, and after that it was. Okay, I think I think it's kind of better now. The connection, I think, is a little poor, but we'll manage. Okay, so guys, which character is your favorite? Like I said, every character of mine is always has been my favorite, and I cannot differentiate between one and the other. You're my favorite, thank you so much. But your favorite action hero? My favorite action hero, all-time favorite action hero. Well, it's Sylvester Stallone, even Arnold Schwarzenegger. I think I love the guy. The kind of action they bring to the screen, to the silver screen, is unimaginable. So yes, okay, what I need some interesting questions about the video. ग्रेट ऐड कीजिए सर हमको. वीरांशु सिंघानिया. यस, वीरांशु सिंघानिया. दिल्ली कब आ रहे हैं आप? मुझे पता नहीं, बट मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि मैं जल्दी ही दिल्ली आऊँ. बहुत टाइम से मैं दिल्ली नहीं आ पाया हूँ. सो यस, एंड so I think it's a great track, so please keep listening to it. Who's your favorite actress in Bollywood? Well, I think mostly people know that. There's no points for guessing. It's Deepika Padukone. Z, I don't know, love from Pakistan. Hello, lots of love to all the people out there. Can we expect a second part? I honestly don't know. We'll try, because it says to be continued, and we are hoping that there's a second part also. I think the makers have to probably decide, and they'll have to start working on it. So we are hoping that since the first part has got so much pyar, so much Bepana pyar, we are hoping that there will be a second part as well. But we're not sure at the moment. Let's see how it happens to pan out. G. Okay. Lots of love to Rakesh Saini. Thank you. Yes, I want to talk about the singers as well. I think the singers have done a fabulous job. I think both Yasir and Payal, both are fantastic. I think they're supremely talented, and there's this beautiful, it's a very soulful and a very soul stirring, and it just touches your heart moment every time you listen to it. I think Yasir also, I think he's one of the most beautiful male singers we have around today, and I'm so happy that both of them we happen to, especially me, I could somewhere be a part of this video, and it just feels really, really great that you have such amazing singers, you kind of voicing especially you're voicing your expressions and your emotions. So yes, both I think Yasir and Payal have done a fab job. So thank you guys. Okay, I think we have Surabhi here. Hello Chandu, क्या हालचाल? So we meet again. बिल्कुल, मैं क्या पी रहा हूँ? मैं हमेशा की तरह मैं पी रहा हूँ ब्लैक कॉफ़ी, जो तुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं. हाँ. So guys, we have Surabhi here live with me. Hello. And we've shot some amazing stuff today, which you guys will get to see very soon. मैंने सुना है कि कल बहुत अच्छा लाइव रहा सुरभि का, और बहुत मज़ा किया उसने आप लोगों के साथ. लेकिन आज मैंने बहुत मज़ा किया. आज हमने बहुत ही अमेजिंग कुछ रील शूट किए हैं, कुछ बहुत सरप्राइजेस हैं जो आपके लिए, आप सबके लिए बहुत जल्दी आप लोगों को देखने को मिलेंगे, जो मैंने और सुरभि ने दोनों ने मिल के किए हैं. जी, ही इज़ ओके, ही इज़ गुड. सो please, and yes, we would love to do a live together. Okay, hey, 1 second, come here, Leo. Public demand, come here. You've become so heavy now. Leo, come here. Look at that. What a big boy he's become now. Look at that. Okay, so this is the most pampered member of the family, and big boy he's become. difficult to hold him, pick him up now. But yes, Leo, thank you for your guest appearance and your special appearance. So yes, guys. Okay, guys, great. So I think we've kind of. Okay, let me just quickly take a few names. Shreyashi Pandey, hello. Shaljia Kashif Khan, Ria Rawat. Okay. Vani Lovers. Okay, hello. Well, guys, there are so many names popping up right now. Hey, hello. We have Charul also in the house. Hello, Charul. So good to see you. And thank you for all the love and the comments you keep, you keep complimenting us all the time, and you especially आपने इतना प्यार दिया है हमें on our Instagram page and on all the social media sites. Thank you, Charul, for all your support and love. Okay, so we have a lot of Sharbi fans, we have a lot of Surbi fans, we have a lot of Sharat fans. So first let me tell you guys, okay, this is very important, okay? All the Surbi fans, all the Sharat fans, I understand that you guys are very passionate about your respective artist and your actor, and you're about the person you love. But please let there be only love, harmony between all the fan clubs and the fandoms. And at times I happen to read a few comments which is not very welcoming, it's not very pleasant. I know you guys love us, and it's all about us, and it's all about loving us unconditionally. We also love you, both Surbi and me, both we love you a lot, and a lot of respect for you guys, because you guys love us. It's so evident, and it's all over the place, and we can see that. And at times you guys do get a little aggravated, but it's not required. Just take it easy, and just keep loving us, and we'll keep loving you back through our craft. We'll keep keep giving back that love that we have for you through our craft and through our characters. And please spread a lot of positivity. You guys are great. All the Surbi fans, all my fans, you guys are great. We love you. So please, a big heart for all you guys out there. Surbi, I'm sure, would probably have to say the same thing about this, and she'd probably have the same opinion. So please just let there be a lot of positivity, harmony, and bepana pyar between all of us, everybody. Come on, guys. I mean, there's already we're in the middle of the pandemic. इससे ज़्यादा और ज़्यादा बुरा और क्या हो सकता है? But we have to spread a lot of positivity, a lot of happiness, a lot of love, and balance this current situation right now, the current crisis that we all are in right now. So spread love and spread a lot of bepana pyar. What Leo does, actually, he spreads a lot of bepana pyar in my life, in our lives. So I hope you guys do the same in your lives, and love your family, and hopefully I'll see you guys again soon. I love these live sessions, let me tell you. It takes a while because everybody just plugging in, and I see a lot of people joining in, and I know it takes a while, but yes, I will always be connected with you all through these live sessions that we have, and it's very special. I will always be connected, and you guys always make me feel special. So thank you so much. And this is our time, let me tell you. Nobody intrudes, nobody interferes. This is our time, and I really cherish these little moments that we have. And so please, on that note, take good care of yourself. Stay at home, stay safe. ज़्यादा बाहर मत जाओ, प्लीज़ घर पे रहो, मास्क पहनो, blah blah blah, वो सब कुछ जो लोग बोलते हैं. Wash your hands, sanitize your surroundings, keep your houses clean, your surroundings clean, and just like I say, spread a lot of pyar, bepana pyar. So oh wow, okay, so I've just somebody just said that there is we've just clocked, I think, 4 million. Wow, thank you so much, and we're hoping that a lot of millions keep coming, and the numbers keep going up, because this bepana pyar is very special to all of us out there. एंड लेट मी टेल यू दैट आप लोग इसे स्पेशल बनाते हैं यार. हम लोग तो काम कर लेते हैं, बट आप लोग इसे स्पेशल बनाते हैं. आप लोग अपना टाइम निकालते हैं और आप लोग फिर लाइक करते हैं, शेयर करते हैं. सो आप लोग बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. एंड आई ऑलवेज वांट टू appreciate, I always want to thank, there's a lot of gratitude. Like I always say, you know, always have the gratitude and just keep spreading that. Okay, so lots of love guys. I'll see you guys again soon. Both Leo and me signing off, plugging out, क्योंकि मेरा टाइम हो गया है, मुझे जिम भागना है. एंड मैं जल्दी आपसे फिर से मिलूँगा. फिर एक दिन बहुत एक्साइटिंग कोई मोमेंट आएगा या कुछ ऐसा पल होगा जब मैं बहुत जल्द आप लोगों से फिर मैं रूबरू होऊंगा और हम फिर से बहुत ढेर सारी बातें करेंगे. आप लोग प्लीज़ मुझसे सवाल पूछिए. आई वॉन्ट कि कैन यू सी माई कॉमेंट. आई कैन सी योर कॉमेंट. होप इट रीचेज 50 million. Absolutely, I'm hoping and praying that it reaches millions and millions and millions and it breaks all the records and it's trending all the time. I hope the trends continue. And I hope it does really well for both Sylvie and me and for all our fan clubs and for everybody and for all the viewers and for our families and friends and everybody and for Leo also. So please guys, okay, this is Leo. He's getting now all antsy and he's getting all, so we need to probably plug out. Okay, let's go. Chalo. So yes guys, take care of yourself and be good.